factory of 232. So 232, it can be written as 2 times 116. 2 times 116 means 232. 116, it can be written as 2 times 58. 2 times 58 mean 116. 58, it can be written as 2 times 29. 2 times 29 mean 58. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, these 2, 2 and 29. So we can write 232 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these 2 times these 2 times these 2 times this 29. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.